Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.